Oh, that can't be good.
A distant siren wails, long, rising, terrifying. Nuclear test commencing in 1 minute. Indy rushes inside one of the houses.
Minus 10 seconds. 9, 8.
He spots a lead-lined refrigerator. He rips out the shelves and dives inside, pulling the door shut.
3.
A blinding flash. The entire town erupts into a towering atomic fireball. But did you notice that after the impact to the ground, why is the refrigerator door is still closed and it did not open even it slams hard to the ground? How is that possible? Just comment your analysis.